WPPS, and the All India Bread Manufacturers Association, it is my honor to extend heartfelt vote of thanks to all of you who made the WPPS CEO Conclave Wheat and Wheat Product Vision 2030 a resounding success. First and foremost, I would like to thank our Chief Guest, Singh Saab, for gracing the occasion with their presence. Special thanks to Mr. Pramod S. Jain, President, Roller Flour Millers Federation of India. Mr. Ajay Goyal, Dynamic Chairman, President, Wheat Product Promotion Society. Mr. Ranveer Chandra, Managing Director, Research for Industry, CTO, Agri-Food, Microsoft. Mr. John Southwell, Trade and Investment Commissioner, Australian Government, Australian Trade and Investment Commission. Mr. Clay M. Hamilton, Agriculture Minister, Counselor, U.S. Department of Agriculture, Foreign Agriculture Service, U.S. Embassy, New Delhi. Dr. Shankar Goenka, Managing Director, WO Factors, Indian WO, Go Green, Kirchi Viman Drone, and my old friend also. Mr. Sanjeev Asthana, CEO, Patanjali Foods. And Dr. Savitri Annapurna Singh, Director, CSIR, Center for Technology Research Institute, Mysuru. Mr. Preetpal Singh, the IFS, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Food Processing Industry, Government of India, and as a Chief Guest of the day. And G. Kamala Vardhana Rao, Chief Guest, Chief Executive Officer, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Your insightful addresses have set the tone of this conclave and provided valuable perspectives on the future and the wheat and wheat products industry. As President of AIBMA, All India Bread Manufacturers Association, which represent all the bread industries, I would like to highlight the significant role our sector plays in the nation's food processing industry. With increasing urbanization and changing consumer preferences, the demand for various types of bread has been significant rise. The industry is characterized by the mixed and large-scale manufacture and numerous small and medium-sized enterprises, catering to diverse regional tastes and dietary needs. This sector is not support the agriculture economy by the sourcing wheat and other grains locally, but also contributes to the overall economic development of the country. Further, I would like to praise you that All India Bread Manufacturers Association has been serving the bread industry in the country for more than 30 years, since its inception in 1978. This membership comprises of bread manufacturing units from large to small scale sectors all over India. AIBMA maintains interaction with the government for promoting the bread industry in the country and discuss various issues and challenges faced by the industry. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to all our sponsors whose generous support has been instrumental in bringing this conclave to fruition. Our sponsors have been pivotal in the ensuring smooth execution of this event. Special thanks to our speakers for their time, efforts, and sharing their knowledge and expertise. Your contribution has been greatly enriched our understanding and has provided new avenues of thought and discussions. To the media, thank you for your coverage, for helping us reach a wider audience. Your role in cementing the key of discussion and outcomes of the conclave is highly appreciated. Lastly, I thanks to all the participants for your active involvement and enthusiasm. Your engagement is what truly makes the conclave platform for meaningful dialogue and collaboration. Thank you all of your contribution for making this event a success. I look forward to continued collaboration and advancement of which we achieve together in the wheat and wheat product sector. Thank you very much.
Mr. H.K. Batra, thank you so much for proposing a vote of thanks. You did it so well.